Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to a Ledger wallet in 2025. With crypto prices soaring and security threats on the rise, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Ledger is one of the smartest moves you can make. It's quick, secure, and gives you full control over your digital wealth. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger device set up and updated. Download the latest Ledger Live app from their official website and connect your device via USB. This is crucial because it ensures everything is running smoothly for 2025's enhanced security features. Next, log into your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Let's say Bitcoin for this example. Double-check your balance to confirm you have enough to cover any network fees. Now, switch to your Ledger device. Open Ledger Live, select the same cryptocurrency, and generate a receive address. This is your Ledger's unique wallet address. Copy it carefully, as one wrong character could send your crypto into the void. Pro tip: always verify the address on your physical Ledger screen to avoid phishing scams. Back on Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw section. Paste the Ledger address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Hit Send, and Coinbase will process it. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to confirm the transfer. Congrats! You've just secured your crypto. Remember, always keep your private keys offline and never share them. If you run into any issues, Ledger's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.